Assalamu alaikum 7th class. How are you? Hope you all are fine. We complete exercise 2b. Today we start the exercise 2c. Now you know that what is fraction, what is the denominator, what is the numerator, what is the how can we complete the multiplication with two fractions, and how can we complete the question with two fraction if we have the division method in between in them. In exercise 2c we have expressed the following rational number in standard form. Yes class, standard form. First part is 4 by 6. 4 by 6. Standard form mean very lowest form. How can we find the lowest form? That the 4 and the 6 goes on a same table. Then we can find the standard form. For example, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. It means it both goes on a same table. That 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, like this. Yes class. Exercise 2c. Question number 1, 4 by 6. 4 and 6 both goes on a same table. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now you check that there is 2 and 3. 2 and 3 not goes on a same table, so we write here 2 by 3. This is the answer. Second is 4 by minus 9. Must remember that, keep in your mind, in the mathematics, denominator should you have down is the positive. So there is no cutting. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 9 is not in the table of 2. Check the table of 3. 3 ones are 4 is not in the table of 3, but 9 is the table of 3. So 4 and 9 don't go on a same table. So this is the answer. There is no solution. So we write here 4 by minus 9. And the third part is minus 11 by minus 13. 11 and 13 both are prime number, not go in the same table. They only go itself. 11 ones are 11, 11 13, 13 ones are 13. So only we write same like this, but there is minus. We cut here and also we cut here. So the answer is the 11 by 13. Understand that? Fourth part is minus 21 by minus 28. You check that there is minus. First you cut the minus. Now the question is 21 by 28. 21 by 21 and 28, which table what is the multiples, which table goes on the 21 and 28? That 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. Now you check that 3 and 4 not go on a same table, because 3 1s are 3, that 2 2s are 4 and 4 1s. So 3 has only one multiple. 3 is a prime number, not go on any table. So this is the answer. Understand that? Number 5 is 42 over minus 48. Remember that when the fraction is like this, if the down is a minus, first you finish the minus of this. So we write here multiply up and down minus. Then minus will be the plus. Then minus 42 minus will be the plus 48. Now 6 7s are 48. 6 8s are 40. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. Table of 6. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. Divided by 6. Understand that? Minus 7 by 8. Understand that? Hope you understand the question number 1, the standard form. Now the question number 2, fill in the blanks. The first fraction is 4 by 5. We have to find that minus 12 by denominator and 20 by denominator. So minus first, what we multiply with minus 12, what we multiply, which number we multiply with 4, the answer is minus 12. So read the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are. First you hide this. This form is hide. First you complete this. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. But there is a minus 12. So we multiply up and down minus 3. Okay? Yes class, like this. 4 by 5 is equals to minus 12 by denominator is blank. So first we have to prove how can we find the denominator, and the other is the 20 by blank. First we solve this. 4 by 5 is equals to minus 12. How can we find the minus 12? Multiply 4 multiply minus 3 and down. What is the down number is that? This is the 5. 5 multiply minus 3. Up and down both multiply minus 3. Then you check that 4 3s are 12. 4 multiply minus 3 will be the minus 12. And also 5 3s are 15, there is a minus 15. So this is the answer of this. And we write here minus 15. Understand it? And other is a 20 by dash. 4 by 5. What we read the number, read table of 4. 4 ones are 4, the 20 will come. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. 4 fives are 25 up and 5 down. This 5 is this. 5 multiply 5 and 4 multiply 5. The answer is 20 by 20, 20 by 25. This is our required answer. So 4 by 5 is equals to minus 12 by 15 is equals to 20 by 25. Understand that? Yes class. B part and C part you do itself. There is the minus 15. It's mean multiply 3 up and down. There is the 35. It's mean multiply 5 sevens are. Multiply 7 up and down. Understand that? So question number 3, determine which of the two rational numbers is greater in each case. First is minus 3 by 7 comma 2 by 7. This is the question number 3. Minus 3 by 7, 2 by 7. Solution. Minus 3 by 7. First we have to check that there are two fractions. We check that this is the numerator. Up is the numerator and down is the denominator. You check that both the denominator are same or not same. Yes. Both the denominator are same. You cannot change this. Now you check what is the, there is the minus. So minus is always less number. This is the greater. So 2, you check that which number is greater up. So 2 by 7 is the greatest fraction. Now you check that there the head of this symbol is 2 by 7. You can also write like this, 2 by 7 greater than minus 3 by 7. Also this is answer. You can write one of these, no problem. Okay. Second is minus 4 by 9 and comma minus 5 by 6. Most important. You check that 9 and 6. What we do? 9 and 6 both are different. First we have to change the, first we have to same the denominator. So there is a 9 and there is a 6. How can we same the denominator? You can write up and down is the 6. And here is a 6, you can write up and down is the 9. Now 4 by 9, minus 4 by 9 will be the 4 by 9, 6 up and down. Minus 4 multiply 6, 9 multiply 6. Minus 4 multiply 6 will be the minus 24, 9 6 are 54. Then is the minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 multiply up and down is 9. Minus 5 multiply 9 is the minus 45. 6 9s are 54. Now we have answer minus 24 by 54 and minus 45 by 54. You write here first. Then check that both the denominator are same, but the up is the minus both same. There is a minus 24 by 54 and minus 45 by 54. Both the denominator are same. Now the numerator are minus. So the smallest numerator is the greatest fraction. Up the smallest. Okay. So minus 4 by 9 is greater than minus 5 by 6. Third part is 1 by 2 and 4 by 7. Both the denominator are not same. So what we do class? There will multiply with up and down 7 and here multiply up and down 2. So 1 by 2 multiply 7 up and down. 1 by 2, 1 multiply 7, 2 multiply 7 is 7 by 14. There is 4 by 7. 2 up and down. 4 2s are 8, 7 2s are 14. You check that 7 by 14 and 8 by 14. Both the denominator are same. You check that what is the up number. The numerator, which numerator is greater? 8 numerator is greater. So 7 by 14 is less than 8 by 14. Also we write that 8 by 14 is greater than 7 by 14. And 7 by 14 fraction means 1 by 2 and 8 by 14 fraction means 4 by 7. So 1 by 2 is less than 4 by 7. Answer. Hope you understand this. Yes class, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 till 6 parts. You complete that and this is your homework. Complete in your homework, copy and send me. If you have any problem you can ask me about these questions. But remember that all the class send me your homework. Okay class, thank you so much. If you have any problem you can discuss about this question. Okay class, Allah Hafiz.